Oh, is it pasta?
Yeah, it's pasta and lettuce.
Cute little plants and a new beach towel. Wow, my hair looks crazy. And a juicer. So we're in the garden now. Our neighbor brought over, it's like ginger and cayenne pepper, and Tennessee just drinks it like without flinching. It's so spicy. I don't know how you do that. So we're in the garden now. We have been spending like anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour out here a day. Just like watering and weeding. We have a lot of sprouts coming up. Got like a bed of lettuces. And then a bed of like squash. And what else do we put in there? Beets, bell peppers, tomatoes. And then the last bed I kind of just deemed the kid bed. I think the two like most fun things to grow with kids are corn and like those giant mammoth sunflowers. It grows really fast and you get to harvest like a big cob of corn out of your garden. They're down there in that bed. We're gonna plant some corn today. I've also got a couple papayas that need to get picked, so let's start our chores. Harvest the cobs when the kernels are plump and succulent. Taste test in the garden if necessary. Alright, so we need them a 1/2 inch deep and about 30 inches apart because corn gets pretty big. One right here just in case you forgot. Okay. Got one? We don't eat eggs. We just collect the eggs and give them to our neighbors. You can also feed them back to your chickens or just leave them there and they'll eat them. This is always a problem.